All right, what's up, guys? It's Cleo back with another US30 analysis. I'm quickly going to break down what occurred in New York session. Today is April 14th, as well as the trade I took and what confirmation I look for to enter this trade. So before I jump right into this, I'm going to clear my markup right here. And I'm just going to show you that. I want to explain. So trends that occur on a lower time frame always respected as well on a higher time frame. So right here I'm looking at this on the 4 hour. You see US30 is in an uptrend. It's been respecting it since March 21st. Yes, since around March 21st, where we first hit this level 32,200, and now we're all the way up to respecting 35,400, and recently just tapped 34,200. As you can see right here, the same trend that we are expecting on an overall higher time frame, we're also getting an intra-week downtrend on lower time frames, as you can see right there. So along with US30 always respecting trends, it also respects these key levels very nicely. So right here, a huge key level that have been respecting for the past couple weeks is 34,200. Price recently bounced off of it today actually, as well as a couple weeks ago, and then around early March as well. So those are really important things to look for when you are trading US30, is what levels is it at and how is it reacting to those levels. So let's go back into New York session. All right. So we're strictly just gonna be looking at this right now on the 1 hour. Okay, as you can see, April 12th, 2 days ago, US30 first reacted off of this 34,200 level, a key level that I told you I just marked up on the high time frame, has been respecting for the past couple of weeks. We got a triple bottom right here. We got a triple bottom right here. Price reacted, created a low on the daily time frame. So yeah, created a low on the daily time frame, rejected, and never came back to break that low, which is a great indication of momentum on the buyer side and price continuing up. Let me quickly just go back to the 1 hour. Okay, 1 second. Okay, so yes, right after we got that triple bottom at 34,200, respecting the daily low, and also respecting the downtrend the intra-week downtrend that we've been in, we recently got that breakout of 34,600, which is us entering New York session right here. Got that breakout. Price on its own price came back down to retest that 34,600 level without again. So on a lower time frame, we saw it on a higher time frame. On a lower time frame right now, we created that low at 34,560. Did not The next candle after that came back to respect that low, close bullish again over 34,600, entering New York session around 9 o'clock. This is that 9 o'clock candle right here. That's that 9 o'clock candle right there. And right before New York open, we got that bullish move, closing just above the previous highs, which is a great indication that price is likely going to continue. So the reason why, let me explain to you the trade that I took. 1 second. All right. So yeah, like I said, we broke above 600, came back down to create a new low around 34,560. Just before New York opened, we got that slightly bullish move, respecting the previous low just before New York opened. And as we broke, so this is the 9 o'clock candle right here. As we broke that previous high, we entered New York Open, which is 9:30. The reason why I took a trade at 9:30 is because that's when the most volume happens in the market. So New York session is when the stock exchange opens for when the New York Stock Exchange opens. Sorry, and a lot of the volume in the market occurs during 9:30 to 4 p.m. And 4 p.m. is when that time period closes. But this 9 o'clock candle that you see right here closed above the previous high of 34,640, and with the New York momentum open, we got a huge bullish candle continuing to fill the wick, a huge bullish candle all the way to 34,900, respecting that level, reacting instantly, and coming right back down to 34,600. So the trade I took where I entered was, let me just show you quickly. The trade I took, I entered right at the close of that 30-minute candle. Price pushed up about around 150 points, and my target exit was just under 900, so around 34,860, and took profits. And as you see, it reacted off of that level and came right back down. So thank you guys for watching. I'm going to continue to post the trades I take and updates on the markets. Like, comment, subscribe, and trade